Good morning, students. Today we'll be discussing objectives of MIS. Yesterday we have done the basic definition, rule, and characteristics. So, objective of MIS includes what is the basically why it has been designed. MIS, as the name speaks, it is the system that manages complete data and information of the organization. Management part covers the planning, controlling, managing, and the organization, right? At all the levels. The central objective of MIS is to provide information to all the parts of the business for appropriate, or we can say optimal, decision making. MIS gathers information from various sources, it may be internal or external sources, and provides at different levels of the organization. So, the first, like you can see, the first objective of MIS is data collection. Main objective is data collection. We collect information to provide it to the all the levels. Then processing, data processing. After collecting the information, it may not be of use, but we process according to our need, according to the need of the organization or particular department, and then we use it as it is. It can be used for organizing, coordinating, planning, directing, controlling any part of the organization. So processing includes the calculation of the data, arranging, sorting, creating reports and all, right? Then storage of the information. The captured information need to be stored at some place so that everybody can access as and when needed, right? Then information retrieval. After storage of information, processing and all, we need to retrieve as per the need and requirement of the particular task, right? Then information propagation. What is propagation? The movement of the information. It moves from one department to another, one person to another. So information with the finished goods of the MIS should be circulated to its user periodically as and when needed in the organizational network, so that they can work efficiently and accurately. Then other objective is a system of efficient and effective planning. Yes, MIS is just not an information collection. It is used for efficient decision making or the planning part. So MIS control the functions of the management to provide quick and timely information to the management for optimal decision making, right? Then MIS generates, it's a very good objective. It generates graphical reports as and when needed at the month end or weekly as per the requirement of the organization. So graphical representation makes these things more readable, more attractive. MIS provides graphical reports of the queries which we perform, and graphical reports, as I told you, the easy to understand and analyze as compared to the tabular and all, right? Then next is standard and budgeted performance is the objective. It leads to standardized and budgeted performance of the organization, matching the actual performance with the standard which we have set. It helps in standardization of the performance. Then decision making. The main part of the MIS, or the main role of the MIS, is decision making at top level, middle level, or the lower level. Any level it can be. For example, if the company is looking to grow their business in a certain area by hiring more employees, they may want to check the performance of that department and performance of the applicants. Then improving the organizational strength and weakness, as it stores the all information. MIS stores all the information, so we can check the past historical data or the ongoing data. So comparing the historical and present data and results, we can find out our strength and weaknesses, and we can work according to the need. So thank you, students. Thank you, and you can ask any of the queries. Have a good day.